Okay, nonsense. What you are? Okay, today I'll bring something new to explain to you. I know you only fire engine. Yes, sir. Use the fire engine. That is any fire in the forest where the buildings it's used to deliver most to the people. Yeah. I know because one thing, there is any fire means first of all, apartment in the manufacturing companies, some of the schools, colleges are also taking some of the sensor. That sensor is known as home sensor. Yeah, there is any fire there. The sensor sensing the smoke and giving a direction of sound so the people are alert and go away from the building. Yeah. So let it give a good things. Yeah. That is the smoke sensor for. Yeah. Then here I use the sensor. You know that? Can you see? Yeah. That is called smoke sensor MQ2. We know one thing there are many more sensors. According to the usage, according to the purpose, we have to select the sensors. Okay. That is called MQ2 smoke sensing. It's only detect the smoke. If there is any control of fire. Yeah. It's they first of all I tell you about the hardest range. Yeah. This is called the why is can see the one the why is the the series is known as smoke sensor. We know that is the connecting wires. That is called wheel. It is the only give power to various sensor code that is in water means in the place. Okay. It's only supply the power supply and otherwise it's give input and carry the output also. Okay. Then I use the power to give the power connection to the event. Okay. Listen. Okay, last day I did the merging, but it's not almost completed. First of all, I had the program. Last day I only connect the wires to connection where we put the sensor, where we put the buzzer, where we put the LED lights like that. Okay, now only do the program code to the sensor. Okay, just you can be. Last day, if you only connection to the sensor, you will know when I want to give the code to the immune. Immune is the ionic node. It's only give the input and carry the output. So if I want to give the code to the code to the immune. Yeah. Yeah, it's almost like now it's really to much. Listen. You can see some other places in the real villages like most of the shopping malls, cinema theaters, some of the road clear using this section. But only close one, so you can't see like that main apparatus. So you close this. It's a common basic open systems. I want to demonstrate to lead and to understand how the systems are working. Yeah. Jessica, you want to bring the matchbox? And also the second floor. Yeah. Thank you. Suppose if our SSR become very quiet, yeah, because I'm very okay. Now in the case I will release some of the but actually it's get the fire. Yeah. So the sensor connect can you hear the sound? How the sound produce? Okay, listen. I do want something. Okay, listen. In the sensor, we get the smoke. Okay, observe the smoke and give the sense to the UNO. The UNO, yeah, I'm already cutting a buzzer. Okay, yeah, the buzzer produces this sound. Okay, yeah. That is saying no file is there means that is no smoke. This means the sensor detect always allow always pass any signal to the UNO. Yeah. In the place, uh, when the sensor observe the trace is fire, I observe the smoke. It's allow and pass the signal to the VA. Okay, then the person give a small alarm to the people. So, okay, then people are get from other and go away from the places. It helps to prevention in the fire accidents some of the places. Okay, you understand? Example. Because I do the view diagram, we have to do by your own. If there are any struggle to do, you ask to the help by will. Yeah. So refer the view diagram on the concepts I will do out of this. Yeah. The next project we have to do by your own each one you. Clear? Read out. Yeah. What is the name? Smoke. Smoke. Yeah.